A charge q is placed at the center of the line joining two equal charges q. If the system of charges be in equilibrium, then find minimum value of charge q from the option given. So E means charge of the electrons. Option A E, B option B 2E, option 3 3C, option D 80. Okay. So charge q is placed at the center of the line joining the two charges. That means, so here two charges, charge q is at the center. Okay, the charge q is at the center of the two charges, center of the line. Okay, the center of the line, and here the charge is capital Q, another charge is capital Q. Total distance from one charge to another charge means end to end distance is L. From this distance Q to L, so Q to capital Q to small q, the distance is L by 2. Another this distance also L by 2, because Q is a midpoint of two charges. Okay, that means as charge q, okay, a charge, this charge, a charge q is at the center of the charges. Okay, the center of the charges q and q. Okay, the center of the charges q and q, that means small q is placed in between capital Q, another capital Q. Okay. But so it remains, that means capital Q remains in equilibrium. In equilibrium for any value of q. Okay, that means capital Q, this q and also this q are equilibrium with respect to small charge q. Okay, that means this distance small q to capital Q, so equal to, and this distance must be equal because q is the midpoint of q and q. Okay, for capital Q to be in equilibrium. Okay, so according to Coulomb's law, okay, that means force QQ, okay, from Coulomb's law, Q to Q, this charge to this charge, QQ plus capital Q small q is equal to 0. Yes or no? That means Newton's third law of motion. Okay, so the total charge is equal to 0. Means one charge, so that means capital Q small q equal to minus capital Q equal to minus capital Q small q. And this equation is Newton's third law of motion. Yes or no? That every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Okay, now using the Coulomb's law, yes or no? So Coulomb's law, so if that means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QQ divided by r square. R square here means Q to Q, this distance is L, that means R here R is L square equal to, so K minus 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q small q by your distance capital Q to small q, the distance is L by 2. That means L by 2 of whole square. Okay. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q divided by L square is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q small q divided by L square by 4. Yes or no? L by 2, that means whole square is L square by 4. And so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cut, small q, one capital Q will cut. Okay, so that means q square by L square equal to minus small q, q by L square equal to minus q into 4 by L square. So L square cancel. So minus q into 4 is equal to capital Q, small q is equal to minus capital Q divided by 4. Okay, small q equal to capital Q divided by 4. So as minimum value of charge, okay, as minimum value of charge can be plus or minus e. Yes or no? Can be plus or minus e. That means 1. Any. So here 1. That means minimum charge must be 1. Okay. The maximum is so infinity. That means the minimum value of charge can be plus or minus c. Okay. So Q should be how much? 4e. Yes or no? Q should be 4e. Now value of Q equal to 4e. That means, so Q equal to 4e. That means Q is equal to minus capital Q should be 4e. That is 4e by e equal to minus e. So minus e is the minimum value. Okay. That means, okay, or so minimum value of charge is minus e.